Hello and welcome to the Mango 86 channel, where we post videos of car things that we do to our FRSs. Today, as you can see, Gino bought an Invidia N1 Exhaust, which we will film us installing. We'll do a before and after shot of what it sounds like before and what it sounds like after, just so you guys know, and then we'll continue with the rest of the video. So those who are here will be able to see that clip and then can watch the rest of that. You can join us on our journey. It's actually pretty heavy. Alright, what's in the box, Gino?
My exhaust. What are these?
Those are for your nipples. Go right there, yep. All up in these shots, bro.
Oh, this all.
Okay. Going on for future. You want to put it on the most fragile piece under the car, and when you hear it snap, that's how you know it's in the right position. Tell me when you hear it snap. Okay, so the first things we need to do, we have to remove the rubber off these. This one. There's one there. There's one here. They're just like a rubber piece that the Y pipe attaches to. And down here, we just have to unbolt it from the front pipe, and then this thing should come tumbling down and hit me. And then we can put the new one on. So yeah, let's go do that. What? It's not moving.
Need a lever.
I give up. So this part is really tight, but I finally got it. So we good, bruh. We good. When the pipe drops, I don't want it to hit my face, so we're going to prop it up with my good friend Hello Kitty.
Better late than never. We out here. What up, Gino? How you doing, man? You're looking a bit small.
Oh my god, he's huge!
We need to take this off. So what I'm gonna do is just pry this screwdriver to the back here and just pull it like that without breaking it. But you get the point.
Banana peppers, onions, both olives, spinach, and tomatoes.
This one was good.
I'll just have to go. It's okay.
Bro, there has to be an easier way to get this shit on.
Nope.
Did you get that again? No. It fell. Alright, Gino, hold this side while I do that.
Okay, how did... Okay.
Okay, you come here.
Oh, shit me.
You rotate.
It's all like my freezer?
Yeah.
Where?
My eye. Your eyes? Yep, so can you guys pull it out?
What happened? Yo, can someone grab? Oh, don't worry. I purposely did that.
Alright, we're done. Everyone go home.
Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Cool.
Yeah.
Looks cute.
Right side is the right.
Long side of life.
Is it the other way?
That way.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Man, I would like my friends to get out of this alive in one piece. Okay, where your right hand is,
So
right?
right now,
Alright.
we're putting this on, and I gotta fit this thingy into this thingy. This is where we
Alright.
took it off from before.
Let's get the thingies. Reinforcements underway.
Alright. Are you holding it?
We need to find Gino's safety glasses.
It's like somewhere around there. Don't tell me. I'm that.
All I see are glasses, bro.
You think I'm gonna give him my
When will you be getting the new FRS?
I just got a new job. Gonna put in some work. Gonna grind it out a little bit. And, gonna make the decision later on.
I came here to ask you when you are thinking about buying your new FRS.
In a year.
In a
Just
year?
finishing up nursing, writing my board exam.
Okay, okay.
The yellow one.
I think.
Thinking like some type of white rims. Yellow and white look nice together.
Oh yeah, black. You know, black and yellow.
Oh, okay. Jake's hardcore struggles over here behind me. Okay, yeah.
So these two pipes are supposed to connect,
Yep.
but as you can see, they don't. So I guess we're gonna leave it like this.
So what else do you have after that exactly, Jake?
We gotta take it all off. The second
Okay.
you start, we have to take the entire thing off.
Yeah.
Put the old one on, make sure the emissions are good.
And
then
then-
take the old one off and put this one back on,
All right.
and then we're good.
All right,
When you're in a rush, you need to use your power tools.
use them. Put some gas.
That was the end of the video. It only
job,
took
boys.
us 3 hours, 1 hour. I mean 1 hour. The sunlight is still on us, so clearly it's only been
It's very bright outside.
Obviously we weren't here all night. Anyways, everything's done, good to go. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Other than that, we'll see you next time.
So this is where around 70% of your power derives from. It shoves into here, and then this is where you go to 90%, okay? This is where we go hard. Now we're shooting out. We are shooting, we are completely thrusting. And then it goes through here and explodes in the uterus. This is what I like to call the uterus, because that is where the real magic happens, okay?
Sorry, how does it explode?
Now we're gonna wrap it up and we're gonna start to put this thing on. All right, guys, let's get to it.